QuickBooks Online is one of the most popular accounting software options available today, but is it the best choice for you? In this video, we'll go over 12 things you need to know before buying QuickBooks Online, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea if it's the right fit for your business, or if you should consider other alternatives. The first thing to know is that QuickBooks Online offers a range of plans designed to scale with your business, but those plans can get pricey as you add more features. It's not the cheapest option, especially when compared to some competitors like Xero or FreshBooks, which offer more affordable options for small businesses. Next thing, let's talk about its user interface. QuickBooks Online has a clean and intuitive design, making it easy to navigate even for users who aren't accounting experts. But if you're used to something like Wave or Zoho Books, you might find QuickBooks setup a little more complex, especially when it comes to customizing invoices and reports. The third thing you should know is that QuickBooks Online integrates well with a wide variety of third-party apps. While other platforms like FreshBooks are more limited in this regard, QuickBooks gives you access to over 650 apps, making it easier to expand your tool set as your business grows. However, some users report that the integration process isn't always seamless, and it can take some time to get everything connected properly. The fourth thing to consider is that QuickBooks Online offers solid reporting features. You can generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax reports, which makes it great for managing your finances. However, if you're looking for very advanced reports or customization, you might find it lacking compared to something like NetSuite, which is better suited for larger businesses with more complex needs. Fifth, QuickBooks Online offers a mobile app, which is essential for those who are always on the go. While the mobile app is generally well received, it doesn't have the full functionality of the desktop version, especially when it comes to more detailed reporting or managing payroll. So, if you're frequently using your phone for accounting, this could be a limitation. Next thing, QuickBooks Online offers automatic bank and credit card syncing, which saves a lot of time when reconciling transactions. However, the syncing isn't always flawless. Some users report missing transactions or discrepancies, so you'll need to check it regularly to ensure everything's accurate. The seventh thing to keep in mind is its payroll integration. QuickBooks Payroll is one of the most robust payroll systems available, but it's only available with specific plans. If you want to access full payroll features, you'll need to opt for one of the higher tier plans, which could drive up your costs. The eighth thing is QuickBooks Online's customer support. While it's easy to get in touch with them, the support team sometimes lacks the in-depth expertise needed to resolve more complex issues. If you prefer personalized, high-quality support, some competitors like Xero are known for offering better service. The ninth thing to mention is that QuickBooks Online offers strong invoicing features, including the ability to send recurring invoices, customize templates, and accept payments online. This is a huge advantage if you're running a service-based business. But keep in mind, its invoicing features aren't as user-friendly or intuitive as FreshBooks, which many users find simpler to use. The 10th thing you need to know is that QuickBooks Online supports multiple currencies, which is perfect if you have international clients. However, if you're looking for robust multi-currency management, QuickBooks might not be as strong as something like Xero, which excels in handling multi-currency transactions for businesses operating globally. Next thing is that QuickBooks Online offers a limited free trial, which is great for testing it out before making a commitment. However, the trial period is only 30 days, and you'll need to enter your payment information up front. If you're someone who prefers a more extended free trial, alternatives like Zoho Books might be a better fit. The 12th and final thing to know is that QuickBooks Online offers various tax tools, including automated tax calculations and sales tax tracking, which is helpful for staying compliant. But if you're dealing with more complex tax situations, you might need to rely on an accountant, as QuickBooks might not cover all specialized needs. So, is QuickBooks Online a good option for your business? It's certainly one of the most comprehensive tools out there, but depending on your specific needs, there might be better, more cost-effective solutions. If you want a better option with more flexibility and an